Hey guys, welcome back. In this channel, we make programming super easy, and today we will learn about paragraph elements in HTML. What are paragraph elements? Paragraph elements in HTML are simply used to create paragraphs on a website. So if we want to write a paragraph on our website, we can use the paragraph element. To write a paragraph element, first write your opening tag. Write P inside a set of angle brackets. Writing the open tag should automatically write the closing tag for you in your code. If not, then write your closing tag. Write a set of angle brackets. Inside the angle brackets, first write a forward slash. We must write a forward slash for a closing tag. Then write P. And finally, write your text in between the two tags. And done. Here, I got a simple code, and if we run this, we can see our paragraph on our website. Here's a tip. If you want to display a paragraph but don't want to actually write it, you can type lorem and press tab. This will automatically create a random text for you. We can also write our paragraph element with our heading element. Here, I got a H1 title element before our paragraph element. We learned about heading elements in our previous video. If we run this, we can see our title, then our paragraph. This could be useful if you are writing an article or something. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.